Is it possible to go back to 20/20 vision if you wear glasses, contacts, and if you don't want to do LASIK surgery? In this video, I will share with you exactly how I was able to reverse my myopia and astigmatism. And apparently this natural way works for all refractive issues. And the reality is, my son's story was the main trigger for me to search at this natural way to improve vision. And here in this video, I will share with you my whole story. So since I was 18, I started wearing my glasses when I was in college. I really didn't like them. I had to depend on them, and especially when I'm driving. I'm standing in line and trying to read the menu at a restaurant. But honestly, it wasn't the end of the world. Up until a couple of years ago, school sent us a note that your son's vision needs to be checked at an ophthalmologist. And just to give you an example of how bad his eyesight was, he wasn't able to read the third line, which is 20/70 on a scale of an eye chart. And for those who don't know this scale, this tests your visual acuity. So you're supposed to see 20/20 if your eyesight is perfect. So they gave him prescription glasses. I was heartbroken and I asked the doctor, is there any way I can help him improve his eyesight? Or at least not depend on glasses? And the typical answer was, of course not, just get ready for worse. But she did mention something that intrigued me to research this further. She talked about eye drops that nobody knows how it works, but it will slow down the progression of nearsightedness. And she said maybe in the future, when he gets older, maybe we can consider that. And of course, being very passionate about holistic health to begin with, I started researching if there is any alternative way to wearing glasses. Of course, the first thing you'll see is LASIK. But LASIK is not an option for kids. So after hours of research, I stumbled upon something called the Bates method. About 100 years ago, Bates was an ophthalmologist at New York City, and he discovered that there is a natural way to improve eyesight. It's worth trying. Let me get this Bates method and apply it myself. If I'm able to improve my eyesight, I'll work with my son. In 5 weeks, I was able to regain my 20/20 vision. It was a shock for me. It was very challenging to work with a 4-year-old, but it was worth trying. The alternative was to keep wearing glasses. And honestly, he didn't even like his glasses. I would work with him and make it as fun as possible. And I kept practicing with him daily, teaching him tricks, how to keep his eyes moving all the time, and throwing, catching balls, and all these fun exercises. About 5 to 6 weeks, he was able to read the third line from the bottom, which is 20/30. And if you're able to read 20/30, usually you don't really require glasses unless you are trying to read very fine prints. And in about 6 months, he went back to his doctor. They had this huge scanner. They said that his eyesight improved. So that was really an eye-opener for me to start this journey. I went back to the anatomy and physiology of the eye to understand how this works. And I stumbled upon a research by an ophthalmologist in a different country. And that guy had an actual research back in the 90s, and he worked with the eye muscles. They call them the rectus muscles, the oblique muscles, and the muscles inside the eyeball which surrounds your lens. They are called the ciliary muscles. And what he did, he went back to the anatomy and physiology of the eyes, and he proved that you can send a signal back from the eyes to the brain to relax the eye muscles. And if they're relaxed, you can see clearly. Basically, his theory is that the groups that are voluntary, so you can move them forcefully to left, right, up, down, and side to side, these are the group of muscles that can get tension and we can relax them easily. The other groups that are controlled by other nerves, in the anatomy and physiology books, they're called involuntary muscles. That means they're automatically controlled. This researcher was able to prove that he can send a signal back to those muscles to relax. And the idea is very simple. Basically, you massage your eyeballs daily. You don't squish your eyeballs, it's surrounding the orbits. And you keep massaging them and generating heats and cupping the eyes, or palming, which is shaping a cup with your hands after you warm them, and you try to send a signal back to relax those eye muscles. And he focused on breathing, so the more oxygen you provide to your eyes, the more they are relaxed. He talks about other techniques to clear your eyesight while you're looking at an eye chart. So after applying all these concepts, I was able to improve my eyesight even further. That was a trigger for me to develop tools to improve eyesight. That's exactly what I did. I developed this vision improvement kit that has these pinhole glasses. You can consider these pinhole glasses as training wheels for your eyes to improve. Basically, you're sending a signal from your eyes to the back of the brain to relax your muscles while you are focusing. And eye patching is very important when you're trying to balance both eyes. And of course, you need an eye chart. Last but not least, you need something like this beaded string to practice coordinating your eyes and focusing at objects at different distances. This is basically my story and how I was able to improve my eyesight and my son's eyesight as well. And if you're interested in learning more about the 15 minutes daily routine I do, go to eyesighttuning.com and check out my 15 minutes routine. It's free. Just enter your information and you'll be able to view it. And if you're more serious about improving your eyesight, check out this bundle that I created. It has all the vision tools I came up with to improve eyesight, along with my daily routine to improve eyesight naturally. Thanks for watching.